Let's start with new questions now. This is something else that we have not discussed so far. That's why we are discussing. So figure is already given in the question and we need to find the area of the shaded parts. Remember, let's read the question. In figure, arc PQ, okay, arc PQ and arc AB are two arcs of circle of radii 7 cm and 3.5 cm. Okay, so these are two arcs of the two circle with radii 3.5 cm and 7 cm. Remember, 7 cm will be outward and 3.5 cm will be inward. Simple, respectively, with the center O. So center O should be here. Let's label center O. Done. Now, if angle POQ is 30 degree, we have labeled that, then find the area of the shaded region. So we need to find the area of the shaded region. Now we must be thinking how to do that. Before we move on, remember this is only sector, right? We have learned the concept of concentric circles, right? We find the area as well. Let's say this is one circle and that is outer one. So how do we find the area of this ring? We are finding in a manner that you take the area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle, like this one, pi capital R square minus pi small r square, right? You take pi common, then r square minus r square, right? So in same manner we are going to do here, but this is the area of the sector, but this is the area of the circle. Here we are going to do for the area of the sector. Now what's the formula for that? It is theta by 360 degree into pi capital R square minus theta by 360 degree multiply by pi small r square. Now see which quantities are same in both of them. We'll take it common. So this theta by 360, then pi. So let's take it out. That is theta by 360 degree multiply by pi, and what's left? Capital R square minus small r square. So this is how we are going to find the area of this sector. Remember, it's very simple, nothing much to do, right? Just remember the formula. One formula we will write 2 times, we'll subtract. Rather than finding the value of each of them, we'll use this concept. Afterwards, we will use the identity over here. That's a very easy way to do it. So if we want to use this formula, we need to have few values. Theta, I believe it is 30 degree. Capital R, that is bigger radius 7 centimeter. Small r, smaller radius 3.5 centimeter. Let's write the values. So theta is equal to 30 degree, okay. Capital R, which is 7 centimeter. Small r, which is 3.5 centimeter. Done? Easy. Now let's apply the formula. Formula is, I am writing direct formula, which is area of shaded region is equal to theta by 360 degree multiply by pi, and here see capital R square minus small r square. So capital R square minus small r square. Done. So let's substitute the values. Theta value is 30 degree, here 30 degree, denominator 360 degree, okay, and no, anything is mentioned for pi? No, nothing is there. So 22 by 7 will keep it. Done. Then r square, so 7 square minus 3.5 square. Remember, it is square. Now here we are going to use the identity. How can I use? See, a square minus, here a square minus b square. So how can I write capital R plus small r and capital R minus small r? Simple, very easy to do. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Let's use that concept here and let's do cancellation if possible. 0, 0, 1 za and 12 za, right? Here let's say 11 za and here 6 za. So 11 by, we can write multiply. Let's multiply, it's simple. here 11 by 6 sevens are 42. Let's write here. And here we will apply this identity, which is addition one time and subtraction. So 7 plus 3.5, okay, and 7 minus 3.5, done. So 11 by 42, 7 plus 3, that is 10, and 0.5, so 10.5. Here, how to subtract this case 7 minus 3.5? See, if you are confused, better you do the calculation at back, right? 7.00 and 3.5, right? We need to subtract. So here 10 and here 6, 10 minus 5, 5, 6 minus 3, 3. This is very small calculation but plays very important role in getting the correct answer. No need to rush, don't guess it, do the calculation if you are in doubt. Here it is 3.5, done. Now let's remove the decimal and do the calculation. 105 by here what? 10 will be there. 335 by 10. Let's do cancellation. Here 7 6 and 7 5 done. Simple. Now can we use table? Okay, let's 5 1 5 2 done. And see 6 and 105. Okay, here I can use table of 3, which is 3 2 and here 35, right? Let's do further cancellation. This is okay, 2 and 2. Here 7 and here 5 2 So what's left? Here 11 and 7, so 11 multiplied by 7, 2 2 2, that is 8. Let's write. So 77 by 8, what's that? It is centimeters square. That's my answer. That's the area of the shaded region. Remember, the question is very simple, but we need to think because we have two different sectors and we need to find the area of that particular area which is shaded. We are using the concept of concentric circle, like finding the area of the ring, right? Pi r square minus pi r square. But while we are talking about the sector, we need to have angle as well. So theta by 360 extra, then pi r square into r square. You can see it is same only. That's why I have started the sum with this concept. But remember, when you use this one time addition, one time subtraction. Don't do that. You do 49 minus square of this one, then you subtract it. You will get the big number and it is difficult to do cancellation. I'm not telling it's very tough and you cannot do it, but it's difficult. Here it is very simple. We can reduce the number in small size. That's the biggest advantage of doing this method. So this is how we get the area of the shaded region when it is given in the form of sectors. Let's discuss one more question. This is reverse of the question that we discussed previously, right? So far in previous question we find the area of this shaded region, but now we are finding reverse of it. So how shall we think? Let's read the question first, then we'll come to this. In figure, okay, so figure is already provided, it's good, it is given. Two concentric circles with center O. So two concentric circle, we can already see that center is O. Good. Have radii 21 centimeter and 42 centimeter. That's important. 21 and 42. Let's write. So capital R is equal to 42 centimeter and small r is equal to 21 centimeter. Done? Good. And if angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, AOB, let's write. So I can say theta is equal to 60 degree. Good. Find the area of shaded region. Simply, it's given that we need to find the area of the shaded region, nothing else. Simple. So how shall we proceed? If we need to find the area of this shaded region, we know how to find it, right? But how to find this one? So I give you an idea. First of all, what are we going to do? We are going to find the area of the ring, first of all, right? We need to find the area of the ring. That's the first step. Area of ring. This is what we are going to do, right? First step. Then what I will do, I will remove this sector from it. I will find this sector. Let me highlight. This sector I will be finding area of this sector and I will subtract, right? Why I need to subtract? Because I want to cut that part. I want to take this part out of the shaded region, so I need to subtract it, right? This is the second area of sector. Area of sector. Done. And third step, subtraction. Subtraction. Simple. We need to subtract them, right? So let's start. First of all, area of the ring. We know how to find the area of concentric circles. So let's find area of ring. We learn the formula, right? It is pi capital R square minus small r square, right? Let's substitute the value. Here 22 by 7 and here what is 42 square, okay, minus 21 square, simple. Then 22 by 7 as it is. Here 42 plus 21, good. Then 42 minus 21, remember, is equal to 22 by 7 multiply by, let's add 2 plus 1 3 and 4 plus 2 6, multiply by 2 minus 1 1 and 4 minus 2 2. It's 21 twos are basically, but though I followed the method. Here 7 ones are and you can take 9s are here, let's say 9s are, right? Now what's left? 22 into 9 into 21, right? So let's multiply 9 into 21, keep 22 as it is. 9 ones are 9 here, then 9 twos are what? 18. We need to multiply 189 and 22, so you are going to get something. Let's multiply, no other way. So 189 multiply by 22. So first of all 2 9s are 18, 1 carry over, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 7 and 1 carry over, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 0. There is 2 here, so again 8 7 3 plus, so 8 15 1 carry over, 11 1, so 4 1 5 8, simple. Wow, no fraction. 4 1 5 8 centimeter square. So my first step is done, area of ring is done. Now what I need to do, area of sector. So area of sector. Now what I'm going to do, can I just multiply this theta by 360 degree over here? See, I'm making it more simple for you, that if we write the formula for area of sector of ring, remember I'm talking about ring, concentric circles, so it will be what? Theta by 360 degree, pi will be common, and what's left? R square minus R square, right? We know the value of this one, which is what? 4158, simple. We need to just multiply theta by 360 degree, then we can get the area of this sector. It's so simple, right? So I'm going to use this simple 4158, right? So I'm just going to multiply theta by 360 and I can get the area of sector. So area of sector of ring, that is theta multiplied by 360 degree into 4158, simple. So here theta is 60 degree, okay, 60 by 360 degree multiplied by 4158, right? So if we can write this as well, 22 into 9 into 21. Why have I written these three numbers? The reason behind that, it is easy to do the cancellation. 4158, 4-digit number. Yes, it is divisible by 2, but it's confusing, right? So 0 0 cancel, 6 ones are and 6 are here. So I can use table of 3. First of all 2s are and here 7s are, then 2 1s are and here what? I can take 11s are. So here 99 multiply by 7. So 99 multiply by 7. Now let's multiply and get the answer of this one. 99 into 7. So 9 7s are 63. 3 here, 6 carry over. 9 7s are 63 plus 6 69. So 693. 693 centimeter square. So my second step is also done, finding the area of the sector. Now what is the third step? I need to subtract. So let's find the final answer, subtraction, and we'll get the answer. So area of shaded region I can write, let's do over here, area of shaded region is equal to, I need to subtract this 4158 minus 693. So you do the subtraction and you are going to get 3465 centimeters square, right? Remember the main step you need to, if you want to do the calculation with this formula, you can do, there's nothing, no any kind of concern there, right? But I have avoided the calculation. Why? Because you can see that in the concentric circle ring area as well, the same formula is coming. Area will be what? Pi r square minus r square. So when you solve this, you are getting the answer of this one, right? You are getting answer of this one. Why to do the same calculation, same cancellation while you have the answer ready, right? So what I did, I just multiplied with the angle. But instead of direct answer, I have written the factors which were there. So easy to do the calculations. Afterwards, you subtract the two areas and get the area of the shaded region. Let's repeat one more time. First of all, I find the area of ring. Yes, we have the formula pi r square minus r square. Then I find the area of the sector of the ring, right? This area. Why did I find it? Because I want to cut it. I want to subtract it. So this is the second step. I have used the previous value only, just multiplied with the angle 60 by 360. Remember 60 by 360, don't multiply with 60. Otherwise your area of ring will be 60 times more than this. It's not possible. Negative area will be there, right? So simplify, get the area of sector of a ring 693, subtract and get the answer.